Hello and welcome to Korean Grammar for Beginners course on Udemy. My name is Satish and I am the founder of topicguide.com. As you can guess, I am not a native Korean. I am a 외국인 who has learned Korean from scratch. I started learning Korean almost 7 years ago and I have a bachelor's degree in Korean language and a master's degree in teaching Korean as a foreign language from Seoul National University. I have been involved in teaching Korean and Korean language research for last 3-4 years. I have taught hundreds of Korean language learners through online classes and also in physical classroom settings. I have created this course specifically for people who are in the beginner or early intermediate stage of their Korean language learning. This course will explain most basic and most important Korean grammar concepts, and it will help you speak and write better Korean. It will also improve your comprehension skills. You'll be able to read and understand Korean better. You'll be able to understand Korean better when you watch a Korean drama or TV show. The course is also useful if you are planning to take TOPIK Test 1, that is sub-level 1 and 2, because I have included all the major Korean grammar concepts that are asked in TOPIK Test 1 in this course. I have categorized the grammar concepts into different sections like particles, like understanding topic particles 는, subject particles 이 or ga, object particles ılral, then verb endings like all the tenses, how to ask questions, how to make requests in Korean, how to propose something, how to deny something, and the connectors like or, and, because, so, therefore, etc. I have used plenty of examples in English and Korean to explain every grammar concept. But still, if you have problem understanding any grammar concept, you can always ask me a question, or you can send me a message or mail and I will be there to help you. So, see you inside the course. Thank you.